Okay, problem number 11. If you're given the equation whose endpoint has a diameter of -3, 2, and 1, -5, the two pieces of information you need are to find the equation of a circle are the radius measure and your center. So we're going to use information like the distance formula and midpoint formula to determine this type of information. So for example, the center is halfway between the two coordinate points. So to find the midpoint, you'll remember that it's the averages of the x's and then the averages of the y's. So if you average out the x coordinates, -3 plus 1 divided by 2, and then the y's would be 2 minus 5 divided by 2. So with that, we have -1 when we simplify that, and then -3/2 when we simplify that. So this is going to be the center of our circle. For the radius, we're going to first determine we can either find the distance between the diameter and the center, or just find the length of the diameter using the distance formula, and then so d for diameter or distance, and then divide it in half. So I'm going to go ahead and do the length of the diameter. So to do that it's change in x. So you take the x coordinates and you subtract them. So -3 minus 1 squared plus 2 minus -5 or plus 5 squared. So we get -3 minus 1, -4 squared is 16 plus 49, which gives us square root of 65. So if I'm looking for the radius, which is half the diameter, that's radical 65 over 2. And now we plug everything in. The equation of the standard form of the equation of a circle is x minus the x coordinate, or h, which is the x coordinate. So this is, let me switch colors here. This is h right here, this is k, and this is r. So those are the values that we're going to plug in. So the opposite of -1 is +1 squared. Then we have y plus 3/2 squared equals radical 65 over 2 squared. So now if I simplify the right hand side, I get radical 65 squared is 65 over 2 squared is 4.